today's video, I'm showing you this microphone system. So with this system, you can use it on your phone or your camera. So it's demonstrating right here. This is what it looks like. This is one of them, and this is the other one. As you can see, this right here is just an unboxing video. I don't have a big camera like this, so I really can't show you, but I do have the phone. Just need my piece to connect to the phone, but I'll show you then another video. But guess what? You do get a discount. I'll link that below in the video or a description bar down below. But this is awesome. All the professionals use this. This is great for if you're a beginner YouTuber. You can use this. You can use this to do any of your videos. You hear my baby girl in the background. She's very loud. It's almost her nap time, okay? So, excuse her. But yeah, this is pretty awesome. I'm so glad they sent this over to me. I'll link all the details down below. This, like I said, this is just an unboxing video, so you get an idea if you need this for your camera. If you have a camera like this, like I'm showing right here on the box, you get to go, boo-boo. But you can also use it on your phone too. So yes, I'll link everything down below. Also the coupon code, so you can purchase yours also. Okay, so I'll see you in the next video, you guys. Bye.